That's why I started the thing with the VFX, with the 3D animation, with like the whole spectrum around visual effects. And then when Sora came out, it was first announced, and you saw these puppies playing in the snow with like looking photoreal, and you hardly could tell that it was like computer generated. It was frightening to me because I went on a journey which already lasted to this point, I would say like about 10 years. On a journey where I said to myself, I want to be a professional filmmaker, and the specific profession which lets me stand out, besides all the other people who just could take a camera inside their hand and pretend to be a filmmaker, was I can do visual effects myself. But then the Sora tool came out, and I thought, okay, fuck. Now
I lose my
everybody,
competitive advantage. Yeah.
now everybody can do visual effects again. And it was like, again, I stood at the same point where I was standing when I thought everybody can buy a camera and pretend to be a filmmaker. And this was discouraging very much to me. And I felt, for myself, I felt like as falling into a deep hole because I didn't know like where this all will lead to.